Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send video in Gmail. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Gmail. And once you open Gmail, you simply need to click on the compose icon in the right bottom corner. And then you need to select a recipient. So I'm going to select a recipient. And once you complete that step, you simply need to click on the attachment icon on the top right, and here you can have two options: in attach file or insert from drive. You can choose anyone according to your choice, but for this video I'm going to click on attach file, and here you need to click on videos. Okay, so you can see that these are all videos, but keep in mind that you can only upload video that size is less than 25 MB. So I'm going to select this video. Okay, once you select a video, you simply need to click on the send icon in the top right. Once you click on that icon, that video will be shared to your recipient. So this is the process by which you can send videos in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.